Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Step 1 study schedule. First, begin by honestly assessing your current knowledge base to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Next, establish a realistic study timeline, often ranging from 6 to 8 weeks, depending on your individual needs. Finally, compile your core study materials, such as UWorld, First Aid, and Pathoma, ensuring they are readily accessible for your preparation journey. When structuring your days, dedicate distinct time blocks for both content review and extensive question practice. Active learning strategies, like spaced repetition and self-quizzing, significantly enhance retention. Remember to integrate short, frequent breaks throughout your study sessions to maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. A well-planned week balances intense study with necessary rest, ensuring sustained productivity and overall well-being. Effectively integrating your resources is key. Make UWorld your primary learning tool, actively working through questions and thoroughly reviewing explanations. Complement this by consistently reviewing First Aid, focusing on high-yield information, and making your own annotations. For pathology, Pathoma provides an excellent foundational understanding, which you can then solidify with UWorld questions. This synergistic approach maximizes your learning efficiency. Regularly taking practice exams is crucial for assessing your progress and identifying areas needing improvement. Don't just look at your score. Meticulously analyze every incorrect answer to understand the underlying concepts you missed. Be prepared to be flexible and adjust your study schedule based on these assessments. This iterative process of studying, testing, and adapting ensures your plan remains optimized for your learning needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.